Create free online store with Big Cartel. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your online store using Big Cartel for free. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to bigcartel.com and you will land on this platform right here. Big Cartel allows you to build a unique online store, sell your work, and run a creative business. With Big Cartel, we can simply create a store and sell any kind of product. Big Cartel is really famous for its variety of products and the quality. We will be able to customize our own store, add products, and then sell them online to make money. If we talk about the pricing plan of Big Cartel really quickly, so you will have an idea about the affordability of the platform. So we're getting a free plan where no credit card is needed and we can create up to 5 products. Then we have a plan for 50 products and it is going to be $9.99 per month, no listing fee. And then we have 500 products for $19.99 per month, no listing fee. So there is going to be no listing fee on Big Cartel. And with all of these different plans, we will be getting our own custom domain, analytics, bulk editing, sell online and in person option, full customizable themes, and more. So, without any further ado, let's get into the platform. What you have to do is you can simply sign up. If you have not signed up for Big Cartel, you can, select a plan and then sign up with your email address. I'm gonna go ahead and log in to my Big Cartel. So this is our Big Cartel right here, and it's very simple looking platform. So what happens is that we can simply get started by adding a product, and then we can customize our shop, we can design our shop, and then launch it. So these are the different steps that you can follow in order to create an online store on Big Cartel and sell your products. You can actually do it in just like few minutes and you will be good to go. The first thing is adding a product, and then we will explore shipping profiles. We can connect payment, we can design the shop and launch your shop as well. Keep in mind this is not in order. So let's go ahead and first add a product to our store because that's the important thing. Now this is our add a product option. Simply click on add product. Now we simply have to add the product details right here and we will be able to create a new product. The first thing is going to be adding an image. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and add an image from my computer. So this is my product image. Now I have to just add product name, description, categories. In categories, we will be able to select from different categories that we have created. Now, if I go to manage categories, then I can simply add a category and I'm going to add a category for clothes and click on save. There you go, it's done. And now I have a new category. Then we have the status. Of course, this product is active, so I'm going to select active, but if it's not in stock, it's not activated, you can change it. Then simply enter the price for your product. Well, this t-shirt is $35, so that's what I'm going to type in here. Then we have options, add individual options or grouped option. This is optional, like it is to enable inventory tracking. And after that, we have shipping option. You can add a shipping option as well. For example, you simply select a country and you're like, okay, so this is my price for the country. This is going to be a shipment fee. So the shipment fee is going to be actually $7, and that's what I will add here. That $7 is the shipping fee, and then we have tax. Once you're done with all of the different details, you simply click on save and your new product is created. If I go back to my products, I will be able to see the product that I just created, and you can see right here, this is my first product. So that's how we simply add a product on our Big Cartel. And what I can do is I can add a product now again, and I can also do bulk editing or add a import products from other platforms. So this is really easy for us to import different products from our different already created stores. For example, if you want to do drop shipping and if you have a supplier like Modelist or maybe Spocket, AliExpress, then you can simply add products from there. So once you're done with the products, I can simply go back to the dashboard and you can see right here, this one is completed. The next step I'm going to actually do is I'm going to design the shop because that's really important. Let me actually show you how we design a shop on Big Cartel. So this is my shop right here. I have my billing details. Every detail will be shown here. And you can see right here, this is my shop and this is the design option. Simply go to design and it will take you to your Big Cartel themes, where you will be able to choose from hundreds of themes for your shop. So this is our Big Cartel editor, and you can see right here, this is what it looks like. I can now enable different settings. I can actually change the header logo, you can see, and then I can change my different settings such as the background color. And then we have fonts, we have patterns, we have navigation items, we have featured items, then we have product grade, we have products per page. So they're like 36 products. That's a lot, so I'm gonna go with 20 products per page. Then we have our different currencies, what currency you want to go with. Then we have our different social media URLs. So all you have to do is simply enter your social media URL, such as your Instagram or your Pinterest, your Facebook, Twitter. You simply enter right here and it's added to your store. So these are the different, settings for the theme that you have selected. So if you want to change the theme completely, this one is in use right now, but let's say that I wanted to go with this theme, like this kind of header, and the products will be shown here, or maybe with this one where you get these kind of options, a layout. Then similarly, we have others too. So you can select any kind of theme, and themes are fully customizable and they allow you to create your store. So I have selected this theme right here. This is in use. And after that, I can go to settings and then change everything I want to. We can also create more than one pages for our shop. And to add a new page, you simply click on add new page option. And after that, you simply give your page a name. Let's like call it new arrivals. So after that, I can just add description and then of course add different elements to my shop. I can just like click on done, and after that I can go to settings, and in settings I will be able to change the color, to add different options, to add text, and to add button as well. That's how we simply work right here on in the design section. Now it depends on you how you want to customize your store. You will get all of the options in here. We can also get a preview for our store. Once you're done, you can exit or publish your page. For now, I'm gonna just exit. I will publish it later. And this is how you design your store, and the rest of the options are launching your shop. Of course, you can click on launch and it will be launched. Then we have shipping profiles and payment process as well. In payment, we can select from PayPal and Stripe. It's very easy to add these methods, and after that you will be able to accept payments from Stripe, from debit cards, and from PayPal directly too. So the payment method is really easy and it allows you to accept payments very easily on your Big Cartel shop. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create your online store on Big Cartel. You simply sign up, and after that you can create products and design your professional store to sell your products. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.